What MrBeast's healthcare critique reveals about mental health in America. What if one video could shine a light on a problem plaguing millions? That's exactly what MrBeast did with his viral videos on healthcare. Do you ever wonder what it's like for people stuck in a system that feels more like a maze than a lifeline? MrBeast isn't just entertaining millions. He's forcing us to confront a question we can't ignore. What is the real cost of a broken healthcare system? In one of his latest stunts, YouTube sensation MrBeast paid for the life-changing medical procedures of countless individuals who couldn't afford them. But beyond the heartwarming reactions and feel-good moments, his videos reveal an unsettling truth. Our healthcare system leaves millions behind. While viewers are captivated by these extraordinary acts of generosity, they can't help but wonder, why is this help even necessary in the first place? And how does this impact the mental health of those most vulnerable? The hidden toll of a flawed system. For millions of Americans, navigating the healthcare system is an exhausting, demoralizing experience. Imagine living with a preventable condition, knowing relief exists, but is financially out of reach. This creates a profound sense of helplessness, stress, and even shame. MrBeast's video revealed a sobering truth. Healthcare disparities go beyond the physical body. They strike at the core of people's mental well-being. People battling chronic conditions often suffer from higher rates of anxiety and depression, compounded by financial stress. In fact, research shows that 46% of adults with disabilities also experience significant mental health challenges. When survival depends on crowdfunding or charity, it erodes self-worth and fuels feelings of inadequacy. The systemic issues at play. Why does this happen in one of the wealthiest nations in the world? MrBeast's critique indirectly underscores systemic flaws. Access is a luxury. Many individuals fall into a coverage gap, too wealthy for Medicaid, but unable to afford private insurance. Stigma and bureaucracy. People with disabilities often face stigma, which translates into systemic neglect. Add layers of red tape, and even those who qualify for aid can't access it without jumping through hoops. Mental health neglect. Mental health care remains siloed from physical health care, even though the two are deeply connected. For people with chronic illnesses, this creates a vicious cycle. Untreated mental health issues worsen physical conditions, and vice versa. The mental weight of disability. Living with a disability is already challenging, but doing so without proper care can feel unbearable. It's not just about the body breaking down, it's the isolation, the guilt of being a burden, and the despair of feeling invisible. When the system fails, it's not just wallets that break, it's spirits. MrBeast's video challenges all of us to think beyond charity and demand systemic change. A functioning healthcare system shouldn't rely on the goodwill of a YouTuber. We need policies that guarantee universal healthcare access, integration of mental and physical healthcare, systems that treat people as individuals, not statistics. Imagine a future where acts of charity like MrBeast's are unnecessary. What would it take to create a healthcare system that works for everyone? It's time to go beyond being inspired by feel-good stories and start pushing for lasting solutions. You have the power to make your voice heard. Contact your representatives, support organizations advocating for change, and start conversations in your community. By working together, we can transition from a system of band-aid solutions to a long-term care system. And that wraps up this episode of Dr. P.O.D. Reads. Thank you for joining me as we explored another one of my insightful blogs. Remember, mental health is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, is meaningful. If you found today's reading helpful or thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a review. Your support helps us continue this journey together. Until next time, take care of yourself, and don't forget to pause, reflect, and breathe. See you soon.